Hi, it's Jez here from nigezza.co.uk, and I'm here and I'm going to do something I've not done before, and that is join in the Inspire Create Challenge that happens, I'm not sure if it's monthly, fortnightly, I can't remember. I've not done it before. So this is number 38, and it's a card sketch, and I've sketched the sketch because my iPad's on charge, so I can't sort of show it you. So why have I got that in my hand? So it's a challenge that's set, and you make a card, you put it on your blog, and you link the blog to the Inspire Create Challenge. So I'll be writing a blog with this, but I thought I'd show you the card that I make as well. Okay, so I'm going to use a note card for this. So these are, I'm going to show you the delightfully detailed note cards and envelopes. So you get a pack of 20, and they're in 4 different designs. I've only got 3 of them, the different designs. So there's another mint macaron one, which is like this, another sort of more of a full wash there, which is in the picture, which you may not see very well. Okay, and so yes, you've got Blackberry Bliss and you've got mint macaron and very vanilla, and they're £8.75 for the pack of 20. We got a sample on stage, which is why I had 4, but I used 1. So I'm going to use this one today, and I'm going to use the stitched rectangles as well to cut out the rectangle that goes there. So it's the 2 bigger ones of this section that I'm using, and I've cut it out of very vanilla. I've pre-prepared it, so I'll just put them together like that to form a frame, run it through the big shot, and it comes like that. So I am just going to use the outline. I thought that'd be cute, and then you could still see the pattern behind, and then I'll use that for another project. Okay, and then to stick with the theme, I'm going to use the smallest stitch circle framelit for the sentiment. So I'm going to make a happy birthday card, because I've got quite a few birthdays coming up. So I'm using the Detailed with Love happy birthday because it'll just fit in the circle. Now it is Blackberry Bliss, but I think the Rich Raspberry looks better than the Blackberry Bliss. I'll show you what I mean. I think that colour goes better because, for comparison, just give that a bit of a clean. I didn't do very well there. I never you can see on camera, but that was the worst bit of a clean I've ever seen, Jez. Oh dear me. Right. I think that's quite dark. Now it might be because I re-inked it, but that shouldn't actually make any difference. I just think because if you bring out some Blackberry Bliss cardstock, you can see that it is a lighter shade than the actual cardstock. So that would be perfect for that. But as it's a slightly lighter shade, I think that one works better. Those are my thoughts. So just going to put that over there. The way I line it up, because it actually, that's not the cut line that you can see. The cut line's about, what's that, about 1/8 or more, just over 1/8, sort of bigger. So the cut line works, and I know it works because I pre-did it. Okay, so that's the Blackberry Bliss, and that's the Rich Raspberry, and I think that one looks better than that one. That's just a bit too dark, I think. So we're sticking with that one. Okay, so let's do a little bit of sticking it down. So I've done a few quite quick cards lately. I'm not sure what order you're going to see them in, but I have filmed some very quick things, which is quite unusual for me. So putting that down there. And then I'm going to pop this up on dimensionals, but I want something behind it. So I thought of using some silver thread. Now I don't know if you can see on there, but there's like a purpley tinge on it. That's because I coloured it. So what I did was I took, which is why I had the blend pen in my hand right at the beginning. So I've got the Rich Raspberry blend pen, because I haven't bought the Blackberry Bliss yet. It is on my list, and all I did was run it up like that, and it gives you a little subtle colour. And being alcohol markers, they do dry quite quickly, but I still did it before. So I'm gonna just I will stick to 4 fingers. Roll that around my fingers a few times until I run out of purple. It's about there. I'm gonna stick some fast fuse on the back of that. But the fast fuse is underneath everything that I've sort of put to one side. And I'm only using one hand now. Oh, God. There we go. Better. So I'm going to stick some fast fuse on the back here to hold this in place. Going to move it slightly around. Do you know, tonight I'm a rugby widow, so my other half's gone to the rugby with my eldest, and every now and again I can hear the crowd cheering, because I don't actually live that far from the stadium, and when we have concerts there and football and rugby, we can often hear. I'd certainly hope it's our team scoring, especially because it's a rotten night. There we go. I think I'll leave it at that. And then I'm going to get some dimensionals. Put that thread away so that it doesn't get lost in the debris that is here now. I'll just cut. There we go. And then this is a very quick, simple card, my interpretation of that card sketch, and it will be on my blog, and then I will link my blog to the Inspire Create Challenge blog, and you'll be able to see what other people have done. as well with this sketch. Quick and cute, I think. So to finish off, I'm going to put some gems on. So I'm going to colour them with the Rich Raspberry blend, because we've got a bit of bling in the thread. And I don't know why I did that with my finger. God, sometimes I am a complete wally. So I'm going to stick that . Stick that there. I might put all three of them in a row. Under there. Yeah, I quite like that. Okay, all the details will be on my blog, nigezza.co.uk. There'll be a link to the blog with this challenge on. You can see what other people have done, and yeah, hope you like it. Hope you like me. Hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please go and read my blog, and you'll be able to look at other things if you've never visited my blog before. And there's a link to my shop if you want to purchase anything. Okay, thank you for joining me today.